There are 25 luxury gadgets on Amazon right now that would have changed your last 20 years, and most people over 60 have no idea they exist. By the end, the #1 luxury gadget protects something seniors lose every day without knowing. Drop a comment with the one you'd give your parents and subscribe before we start. Let's begin at 25. At number 25, the Ember Mug² at $130. App-controlled stainless steel that holds coffee at the exact temperature you set for hours. No more reheating cold coffee 3 times a morning, the gift seniors quietly use every single day. Number 24, the Hatch Restore 2, $200. Sunrise alarm, sound machine, meditation library, reading light, one elegant dome that replaces 4 nightstand devices. Reviews consistently mention it changed how they fall asleep and how they wake up. Number 23, SwitchBot Curtain 3, $99. Clips onto your existing curtain rod and opens or closes the curtains on schedule. No more reaching above your head every morning. Voice control works with Alexa, Google, and Apple Home. Number 22, KardiaMobile 6L at $149. A 6-lead ECG that fits in a wallet and reads heart rhythm in 30 seconds. Food and Drug Administration cleared, doctor-trusted detection for atrial fibrillation, the silent heart risk that doctors say causes 1 in 7 strokes after 60. Number 21, the Oura Walden 15-inch frame at $299. Family members text photos straight to the frame from anywhere. Grandparents see new baby pictures the very second they're taken. Matte anti-glare display and no app required for the senders. That's the entry tier. From here, we hit genuine premium, and the next gadget quietly stops home break-ins. At 20, the Aqara Smart Lock U200, $300. Fingerprint, keypad, and Apple Home Key. 3 ways in, none involving fumbling for keys at the doorstep. Retrofits over any standard deadbolt in 15 minutes. No more "I lost my keys" panic calls. And family members get their own secure codes. Number 19, Ozlo Sleepbuds at $300. Tiny in-ear sleep buds that mask snoring with adaptive sounds. No music playing all night. Built by the original Bose Sleepbuds engineers after Bose discontinued the line. The premium pick for couples where one snores and the other can't sleep through it. At 18, Echo Show 15 2nd Gen, $300. A 15.6-inch display that mounts on the wall like a framed picture and runs the entire house from one screen. Large font calendar, rotating family photos, voice control for lights and thermostat. Once mounted, seniors stop missing appointments, stop forgetting which day it is, and stop holding a phone awkwardly during video calls. At 17, the Kindle Scribe with 16 gigs, $400. A 10.2-inch anti-glare e-ink screen that adjusts font size up to massive. No eye strain, no glare in bright sunlight, no blue light at night. Includes a premium pen for handwritten notes. The e-reader buyers consistently call life-changing after 60. Number 16, the Withings ScanWatch 2, $350. Looks like a traditional analog wristwatch. No one would guess it tracks ECG, sleep apnea, atrial fibrillation, and blood oxygen continuously underneath. 30-day battery, no charging anxiety, no daily plug-in routine. The dignified luxury smartwatch for seniors who refuse the smartwatch look on principle. At 15, the Oura Ring Gen 4, $350 to $500 depending on finish. A titanium ring that tracks sleep quality, heart rate variability, body temperature trends, and cardiovascular age, completely invisibly. Premium jewelry on the outside, full health lab on the inside. Owners consistently report it spots illness coming 3 days before symptoms. Number 14, Bay Alarm Medical SOS Mobile GPS, $160 plus monitoring. A lightweight pendant under 2 ounces, worn around the neck or clipped to a belt. One press connects to 24/7 monitoring with GPS location and live operator voice. No smartphone required. The dignified medical alert that works anywhere, indoors or outdoors. At 13, the Aqara Presence Sensor FP2, $83. This one is genuinely different. Mounts on the wall like a smoke detector, but uses millimeter wave radar to detect falls without anyone wearing anything. Privacy first, no camera, no microphone. Auto triggers smart lights or family alerts the instant something happens. At 12, Bose TV Speaker, $280. A compact soundbar that takes 30 seconds to set up via HDMI or Bluetooth. Press one button for dialogue mode. It analyzes what you're watching and lifts voices above background music. The iconic premium brand that ends the TV too loud household argument permanently. Number 11, the Breville Barista Express, $750. Built-in burr grinder, 3-second push-button espresso, integrated steam wand for lattes, cafe-quality drinks every morning without ever leaving the house, and no learning curve on latte art required. The kitchen luxury seniors gift themselves once and use every single day for years. Top 10, let's go. If anything's caught your eye, tap like right now and drop the product number in the comments. It tells the algorithm to push this to more seniors who need it. Now, premium tier. At 10, Remarkable Paper Pro, $630. An 11.8-inch Color E-paper tablet that feels and sounds like writing on real paper. Reads documents, journals, sketches, organizes, no screen glare, no blue light keeping you up at night. The luxury alternative to clutter for seniors who still love writing things down by hand. At 9, the MCombo Dual Motor Lift Recliner, $900. Two motors mean the backrest and footrest move independently. Full lay flat, infinite positions, gentle lift to standing, built-in lumbar heat and full body vibration massage. The luxury chair that solves the stuck in the chair problem without sacrificing the living room look. Owners say it's the best money they spent in retirement. Number 8, Brondell Swash 1400 Luxury Bidet Toilet Seat, $550. Endless warm water, heated seat, warm air dryer, dual stainless steel nozzles, ambient nightlight, 4 temperature settings, self-installs in under an hour with no plumber. The luxury bathroom upgrade that quietly restores dignity, independence, and hygiene for seniors who'd rather not ask for help. At 7, Hyper Ice Normatec 3 Legs, $900. Air compression leg massagers that used to live only in pro athlete recovery rooms, now adopted by seniors for circulation, lymphatic flow, and restless leg relief. 20-minute sessions while you watch TV. Owners describe the feeling as walking on new legs the next morning. Number 6, Eargo 7 Invisible Hearing Aids, $2,200. Nearly invisible once placed inside the ear canal. The rechargeable case looks like a luxury watch winder on the nightstand. No audiologist appointment, no waiting list, no clinic visits. The premium over-the-counter hearing aid that quietly removes every stigma traditional aids still carry. Top 5. From here, every product is a serious luxury investment. Drop your guess for number 1 in the comments before the reveal. Hint, it's something they don't even notice doing for 24 hours a day. Let's go! At number 5, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch with M4 chip and Apple Pencil Pro, $1,300. The brightest, thinnest, most powerful iPad Apple has ever made. Massive Ultra Retina XDR display, perfect for low vision reading. Built-in accessibility shortcuts, voice control, larger text settings. Family video calls feel like a window. The luxury tablet seniors actually pick up every single day, and gift buyers consistently call the best money they spent on their parents. Number 4, Real Relax 2026 Premium Massage Chair, $900 to $1,300. Upgraded SL Track Shiatsu rollers, 8 auto modes, 0 gravity recline, heat therapy in the lumbar region, and Bluetooth speakers built into the headrest. A daily spa experience that lives quietly in your living room. The top-rated luxury massage chair in this price bracket. Reviews describe the very first session as, "I never want to get up again." At 3, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, $1,800. AI obstacle avoidance, self-cleaning mop pads, hot water wash and dry of the mop after every clean, plus an auto-empty cycle that means the dock is hands-off for over a month at a time. This is the Tesla of robot vacuums. Premium, set and forget, and frees seniors from the bending and pushing chore for years. At number 2, the BedJet 3 Climate Comfort System, $500. Pushes cool or warm air directly into your sheets. Your bed reaches the exact temperature you want in under 60 seconds. No new mattress, no electrical work. Fits quietly under any existing bed. For couples whose temperature preferences have never agreed, this single device ends 15 years of thermostat arguments in a single night. Number 1, surrounding seniors in every room, every minute. The moment you see it, you'll wonder why every senior over 60 doesn't already own one. The #1 luxury gadget seniors are buying on Amazon in 2026 is the Dyson Purifier Hot and Cool Formaldehyde at $770. Here's why this wins. Reason 1, it does 3 things at once. High-efficiency particulate air filter air purification, capturing 99.97% of pollutants down to 0.3 microns. Whole room cooling fan in summer, heater in winter. One device replaces 3. Reason 2, it senses and destroys formaldehyde continuously, the colorless gas leaking from furniture, paint, and cleaning products that hits seniors hardest. Most air purifiers can't even detect it. Reason 3, the Dyson app shows real-time air quality, filter life, and lets caregivers monitor a parent's home air remotely. The luxury gadget that protects the air your parents breathe every moment in every room. 25 luxury gadgets. 5 life changers. 1 that protects the air in every room. Which one would you give your parents? Comment below. Subscribe. Next week's list is 20 luxury kitchen gadgets every senior wishes they'd bought sooner. The best luxury upgrade is the one you actually order.